Hey guys, welcome back. Out on the trail with my the C14. This is the one of the original budget beasts. It's running on MN99 electronics. Let me quickly show you that. And yeah, 260 motor. I'll leave the video up there, guys. There's a couple of things to look out for when upgrading to 260. I've also added a Botch job trailer. Yeah, half an axle. Yeah, some spare parts here, really happy with how it turned out. Yeah, we're going to hit the trail. There's proof, guys, that yeah, MN Electronics, my original MN99 transmitter. I think it's the original MN99 board as well. So yeah, a bit of a gentle trail today. It's really easy at the moment, but yeah, we'll come back when the trail changes a bit. Not a bad wheel speed on the MN99 setup. That is pinned. Just finished the boring footpath. Gotta go for the muddy line, haven't you? If you see mud, we've got to go in it. Bit of a tricky section coming up now, guys. Take the outside line, I think. I'm not going to turn into it. Be careful now, I got the trailer on the back. Easy peasy. Here comes a little critter. Pretty steep hill that was, I'm out of breath slightly. Got a bit more mud. Just hoping to get these tyres nice and dirty today, guys. Yeah, as you can see, guys, these little WPLs are perfect. They're like Lego, yeah. So obviously you can make it a C24, C14, a C54. Super cheap, super fun. And yeah, lots of potential. We're going to take some tricky lines with this trailer, see if we can conquer some tricky terrain with it. So kit tyres on the truck itself with some foams, and then I got some ready to runs on the rear of the trailer, and then V3 wheels all round, C24-1 body, and then C14 rear beds all round, as you can see. Times 2 C14 rear beds. Handled that pretty nice, guys. So far, guys, really impressed. It does really look cool, you know, having a little trailer tugging along, and it does look the part. Got a little tyre stand there as well on the headache rack. Some spare tyres, Ducati as well. But yeah, let's take a closer look at this trailer and why it's called a Botch job and what I've done, so you guys can make one for yourselves. Okay, so we've got the truck turned over. So I've taken an old C14, C24 chassis. I've taken the pinion out, so the rear axle is locked at the moment. It's not ideal, but yeah. I've removed the springs from the shocks, so it would sit nice and level when hitched up to the C14. And then I've used, as you can see there, some upper links to make a hitch, and then 2 cable ties. If I ever want to remove this, I just undo the number 4 screws there, and yeah, just fold these up onto the bed of this truck. But yeah, guys, really impressed. Can't go wrong for a Botch job. Yeah, I've had some fun, guys, as you've seen there, taking some little lines while we were having a bit of a break. Honestly, guys, I cannot recommend these little trail trucks enough to you guys. Yeah, really cheap, awesome way to get into the hobby. Hey, nearly home free. This is a really nice trail. I can see some mud coming. A little bit boggy here, but I think it's going to get even boggier as we get to the bottom, guys. Oh yes, plenty of mud coming. Plenty of mud on the horizon. Looking forward to it. Gotta really take your time here. These small trucks, you can't just hold a throttle and let the truck do its work. You actually gotta plan your route really carefully, guys. Here we go, guys. As muddy as it gets. Yeah, it's gonna be tricky, but yeah, I'm gonna try and get my little scout truck through. Hopefully that trailer will hold up now. A bit of side slant. Different ball game all together when you're towing something. So far so good. Don't want to jinx it. And out the other side. Awesome. There you have it, guys, another budget beast added to the collection. Don't forget now MN99 electronics here, guys. Botch job of a trailer. C24-1 body, and yeah, I've had some really good fun out on the trail today, guys. As always, guys, don't forget to like and hit that notification bell. New content every Wednesday and Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe, and as always, guys, I'll catch you on the next one.